Good morning, everybody. Anthony from Wall Street Trader. Okay, so April 24th, 2021. I've recovered this morning. It's 10:48 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Got home late last night, but I'm here to just kind of run through where we stand right now with NuCypher. We're starting to hit a, we're definitely, we're not definitely. We are clearly looking as if we are going to go continually beyond this point here downward. This is very bearish signal here. We're currently trading at 38 and change on NuCypher. Not a great place to go in yet, in my belief. I think we should just hang in there. You will get cheaper prices if we wait. Now, a couple of reasons why I say that. First of all, if we look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is still breaking down here. We're at 40. Last night it was like 51. It was rallying, and now it's dropping back down. I kind of knew it was a fake out, just given like this is relatively consistent with how these patterns develop through time. Momentum's kind of seeping out of the Bitcoin markets. So when we'll go back to these support levels in a second. I just want to show you NuCypher's performance to Bitcoin is also continuing to drop off a cliff. Last night in the wee hours or early morning, we were up at the 8 level, which you could see over here. But then we dropped all the way down, and when we were doing the example, we were at 781. Now we're at 774. That means that our original estimates were actually fairly optimistic. If I was to start plugging in where I think the NuCypher to Bitcoin trend goes, we could be looking at somewhere down here in the 7 range. And if that's the case, then if I open up the spreadsheet that we were looking at in the last video, if I just got rid of this for the first support line, look at the numbers. From 35 cents, 37 cents to 31 cents. And furthermore, if it drops even further than that, assuming that that is the NuCypher Bitcoin conversion rate, it goes down to 28 cents. And this is just on support levels here for Bitcoin, making that assumption that this 774 number could go all the way down to the 7 range. And it could even go lower than that. There's no telling where this thing will go, but it's certainly on the downtrend. And if you look right now, it's clearly selling out downward. Look, we're now at like 150 something $1 million market capitalization. This is a micro cap. This is halfway between zero and getting out of the micro cap status. So what I would suggest here is to hold on, wait for a little while longer until we get down in this range here, and then start taking your nibble. But right now, 49,405, still too rich in terms of my opinion on this. I think it's okay to wait. Like you're not losing or gaining money by waiting, so waiting's fine. If you already have NuCypher, then you might want to take a little bit off the table and wait for a better price and pick it up later on. Just my opinion. Look, we're at 38 cents now, and I think we already hit. I think yesterday we were down to 36 cents, so there was some potential buying opportunity for a pop. And if you're an intraday trader, that's the kind of thing you want to see. I'm not really focused in on that on this particular video. Look, I can go into, I've done plenty of short-term trading in the past. I've been doing options for over 20 years. Happy to run through that on other videos, but for right now, given this is my, my initial YouTube parlay, I think I want to stay focused on this for the folks that want to see it, and we'll continue on with our analysis as we go forward. So thanks again for joining. I'll give you another video later on tonight, and talk soon.